Hello everyone, welcome to Code Cloud GitHub series. Today I am going to show you how to create GitHub account and its basic operations. First of all, let me give you some basic introduction of GitHub. We will discuss the same in depth in upcoming videos. GitHub is a web-based platform used for version control. It simplifies the process of working with other people and to collaborate on projects. It provides access control and several collaboration features and basic task management, bug checking for every project. It is world's largest software development platform. It provides cloud storage for source code and support almost all programming languages. So, let's start. First of all, open GitHub website, that is www.github.com. Enter your username, email address, and password. Complexity of your password should be high so it will approved easily. Click on sign up. In order to verify your account, you have to solve a little puzzle which will shown in next window. Let's wait. Yes, it's loaded. You have to slide this in a right way and click OK. It's approved. You have to fill out some basic information which is shown in this window. So I will select software engineer as my title. How much programming experience do you have? I will select a moderate. And reason to use GitHub, I will select this one. And it's optional that you enter your interests here. I will enter languages, programming, etc. And click on create account. A verification email have been sent on my given email ID. I will open the email ID and verify the email received from the github.com. It will redirect me towards their website. I'm going to tell you some basic usage of github.com. I will click on your repositories and here are my already created repositories. I will click on new repository, enter repository name test2 and I will make it private and will click on create repository. It will create a repository named test2 in my repositories. Here I can find repository address to clone it on desktop application or git bash. I will click on create file and enter file name here test.py. It's a basic Python file, and enter one line code to print hello world. And I have to commit this file creation. I will enter here some title and reason to create this file and click on commit. It will create a Python file with 2 commits. First of all, initial commit which have created the file, and second commit with my message which I have entered. Now I will open test.py file in my repository, and you can see the source code is appearing here. I will edit this and enter some more lines in my source code. Here I am going to add some variable x equal to 1, and I am going to put an if statement in my source code. And I will do second commit in my source code and enter some commit message here. If statement is added and commit change. Now you can see that updated source code is appearing here. Now I will again click on edit and enter one more line in my source code here. Again I will enter commit title and commit message here. And commit changes. Now you can see that updated code is appearing here. I will open my repository test2, and you can see now there are 4 commits are appearing here. Now I will open my file test.py, and you can see that updated code is appearing which I finally committed. Now I will see the history, and you can see that there are 3 commits are appearing here which I have entered during edit of my source code. This is second update, and you can see the commit message here, and the changes are appearing here in blue area. Now I will click on third commit, and you can see that commit message is appearing
and only one change is appearing here. So this is the basic usage of GitHub for version control.
So you have learned how to create GitHub account and basic version control features. GitHub will keep track record of all versions of your source code so you can get back to any version anytime. It will simplify the process of coding and testing. For more advanced topics of GitHub, installation and configuration of desktop application and Git Bash, please stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.